Welcome to our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the latest innovation in the world of foldable smartphones. It features a sleek design, advanced features, and improved durability, setting a new standard in mobile technology. Firstly, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 continues the iconic clamshell design. It offers a compact form factor that easily fits into pockets and bags. The 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display provides vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for streaming videos, gaming, and browsing. The outer cover screen has been expanded, offering more functionality without having to open the device. This allows for quick access to notifications, widgets, and even taking selfies with the main camera. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 uses the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, this phone handles everything from intensive gaming to heavy-duty productivity tasks. Additionally, the 3,500 mAh battery supports fast charging and wireless charging, keeping you powered throughout the day. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy Z Flip 6 with an impressive camera setup. The dual rear cameras consist of a 12MP wide-angle lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, allowing for stunning photos in various conditions. The Flex mode enhances the camera experience, enabling hands-free shooting and creative angles. Furthermore, the front-facing camera has been upgraded to 10MP, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. Running on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 4.0, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. The Flex mode is a standout feature, enabling split-screen functionality and enhanced multitasking. Samsung's suite of software, including Samsung Pay, Samsung Health, and Samsung DeX, adds significant value to the device. One of the major improvements in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is its durability. Samsung has refined the hinge mechanism for smoother folding and unfolding, and the device is now more resistant to dust and water, boasting an IPX8 rating. Additionally, the use of ultra-thin glass for the main display enhances its resilience against scratches and everyday wear and tear. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is available for pre-order now, with shipments expected to begin next month. Pricing starts at $999 for the base model, making it a competitive option in the foldable phone market. Furthermore, Samsung is offering trade-in deals and financing options to make the device more accessible. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a remarkable blend of style and innovation, offering a unique experience in the smartphone market. Its powerful specs, advanced camera capabilities, and improved durability make it a worthy contender for anyone looking to embrace the future of mobile technology. Thank you for listening to our review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed reviews on our website.